How did people stay cool in the desert 2,000 years ago without electricity? Meet the Persian Windcatcher, or Badger. This is an architectural masterpiece that turns scorching desert heat into a refreshing breeze. It's a passive cooling system. The tower catches even the slightest wind and funnels it deep into the house. Some of these towers even push the air over underground water channels, chilling it down to a natural 20 degrees Celsius. While we rely on noisy, power-hungry AC units today, these elegant stone towers have been cooling homes for centuries, completely for free. It's sustainable, silent, and beautiful. Proof that ancient tech was often ahead of its time. Every structure has a secret. Discover them all on Structure Stories.